As we're all too well aware, we're in a cost of living crisis, and camping products can cost an absolute fortune, but not in the product that I'm going to be showing you today. It is the Quechua small folding camping table, or the MH100. Now, this is a table that I purchased a couple of weeks ago from Decathlon and cost me £14.99, so it's certainly not going to break the bank of anyone. Now, it is a small folding camping table, but it does weigh 1.6 kilograms, so it's probably not going to be suitable for those of you who want to go wild camping, want to keep your kit down to a minimum. But if you want to go campsite camping, then it can be a worthy accessory to your kit. You could use it as maybe a bedside table or as an area for cooking if you want to save a larger table to sit at and eat at. And here it is here. This is the MH100 table. It comes in a stylish grey with this kind of almost OS maps pattern on the top, and it's got a nice little carry handle. You can carry it around like that. It is made from aluminium, or aluminum for our American friends, and wood. We've got these two little red clasps at the top. We open them out, and then it's literally a case pulling the legs out and then locking them into place in each of the four corners, and then there we go. Now, dimensions, the all-important dimensions. I mentioned the weight earlier. It weighs 1.8 kilograms, and dimensions, I've got them listed down here and I'll put them on screen for you. Folding size is 42 centimeters by 32 centimeters by 4 centimeters. Now, when it's being used like this, it is 30 centimeters high, so about the length of a ruler. And it is a size of 42 centimeters, which will be across, and 64 centimeters in length, like that. This makes a nice little table. I say, if you don't want to be sitting at a chair, or maybe you want to kneel like I'm doing here, and you maybe want to eat your meal like this, or maybe cook in this position, then it's great. I think this is going to be more suitable with its weight and size for campsite camping as opposed to wild camping. It is a little bit on the heavy side at 1.6 kilos. But having said that, it's a nice, stylish table, and I think would fit very well in anyone's tent, really. To fold it up again, all we do, just watch your fingers a little bit, just push the little struts in each of the four corners. It will take a maximum weight of 50 kilograms, so it's certainly not something you can sit on. Fold it up and then close the red clasps in, and then we use the carry handle to take it away. So there it is, the Quechua MH100 folding camping table, or small folding camping table, 1.6 kilograms, folds, really nice, compact, modern design. I like it a lot, and I'll certainly be using it in my camping trips coming forward. And for £14.99, I think it represents very good value for money. So there we go, that's the first look at it. If you found this video in any way helpful, please consider liking, leaving a comment and subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again in another one.